Allergies, nothing to sneeze at. I constantly have hamburgers brought to me with onion rings on them, even though I have asked to not have them, says Surutkowski of the AAVA, who has a severe allergy to onions and soy. I sent the meal back explaining that they will need to call 911 if I eat it. The onion protein and the juice could send me into anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis is similar to the process pollen sufferers experience, but more dangerous. Airways and lungs swell, breathing becomes labored, blood pressure drops. That means less air to the lungs, less blood to the brain and heart. People can die within minutes. Up to 2% of adults and 5% of children are allergic to foods. Peanuts, tree nuts, almond, walnuts, and pecans, fish and shellfish typically cause the most serious reactions. Soy products, eggs, and wheat are other culprits. Avoidance is not always easy. Peanuts are everywhere. Cakes, cookies, and candy are obvious dangers. But peanuts are also ground up and used as extra flavoring in pie crust, for instance. Dealing with food allergies can seem overwhelming. That is why Anna Munas Fulong, whose daughter has milk and egg allergies, started the Food Allergy Network, a group that provides allergic-free recipes, shopping guidelines, and tips for managing day-to-day dangers. The bottom line in pre-planning, especially for children, says Monas Furlong. That means screening purchases at the grocery store, preparing meals ahead of time, and educating friends and family about symptoms, dangers, and emergency treatment. In any case, allergic individuals must at all times carry life-saving epinephrine to halt anaphylactic shock. They should probably wear a medical ID present as well.